If you're buying in the San Francisco Bay Area, you already know the drill. At these prices, most buyers end up with a jumbo loan. That part's not news. But here's what fewer people know. What actually changes when your loan is a jumbo, and why, on a loan this size, the details matter more than most people realize. So let me walk you through it. Quick refresher on where the line is. Every year, there's a limit on what's called a conforming loan. Think of that as the standard loan size. Anything above it is a jumbo. In high cost areas like ours, that limit is set higher than most of the country. But even with that higher limit, our prices push a lot of buyers right past it. So the label itself isn't the interesting part. Here's what actually changes with a jumbo loan. The qualifying is a little more thorough, not harder, just more detailed. Few things tend to matter more. Reserves are a big one. That's the money you have left over after closing. On a jumbo loan, lenders usually want to see more of it. Your income documentation gets a closer look too, and the file just needs to tell a clean, consistent story. Here's the part that surprises people though. Jumbo pricing can actually be very competitive. A bigger loan doesn't automatically mean a worse rate. In many cases, the rate is lower. So the takeaway is simple. A jumbo just needs to be done right. And that's where this really matters because jumbo guidelines aren't identical everywhere. What one lender wants to see can be different from the next. How your reserves are counted, how your income is documented, and how the whole file gets structured. On a jumbo loan, those details can be the difference between qualifying and not. And this is one of the places I can really go to work for you. I have access to a range of jumbo programs across different lenders. So if one set of guidelines doesn't fit your situation, I'm not stuck. I can find the program that does. That's the part most people never see. And on a bigger loan, it's the part that counts most. So yes, in this market, a jumbo is just part of the deal, but how it gets handled is not a given. What matters is having someone who handles it right. Reach out and I'll walk you through exactly what it means for your situation.